What is the fire department without government approval and no access to water? Why does Belcanny have to be trucks on site? And why is it privately owned? Where is the insurance policy?
I guess you guys mind if I answer one more?
Go ahead.
All right, so as far as the fire department, use of the water, obviously that was done through another complaint that somebody brought on to the Public Works. I don't want to...
From Belcanny.
Correct. And so it was a temporary hold. Hopefully that will be resolved any minute. We should actually disclose all that to the community, so that should be hopefully no problem. But here they have tried everything to stop the volunteers from DMV audits, IRS audits, trying to shut us from Public Works, and on and on. So,
if I can interrupt you for
Yes.
1 second. I'll just draw your attention to this. Tow their fire trucks. Get them the hell out of here. We are the law. That's the attitude of the board majority against this fire department.
all right, and as far as the question was about insurance, right?
Correct.
All right, so as far as insurance for the fire department, I know a lot of people are saying they never showed it. Fox News did a special last week. Because of this, they actually saw the full policy. We showed it to them. I think they had a misunderstanding when they were asked the question saying, did they show you the insurance? They said yes. The question was asked, was it the certificate of insurance? They said yes, the whole policy. They answered no. And that was probably the reporter's fault. They asked us to give them the certificate of insurance because they just can't post 176 pages on the news.
Just post it online for everybody to see.
Well,
Very simple. Boom.
But here, I'll make it very simple.
Leon, be quiet.
This is, Leon,
Steve, shut
Leon,
up.
Leon, what
You
I'm
shut
holding in
up.
my hand, Leon, what I'm holding in my hand,
Listen.
right here,
No,
is
you
the
listen.
full insurance binder
Post
for the fire department, so
Post
it exists.
online.
Okay, this is the
What's
full
the
insurance
number?
policy. This is for their vehicles, they have a separate policy for the vehicles, a separate policy,
You don't
$10
have to
million
explain to
policy
me. Post it online.
for all their personnel, for all the volunteers. Now, as far as do they post it online, not everybody needs to see personal data, exclusions, things like that. Okay, they have shared it with every single member of the board. We've had insurance experts. The candidates, I'm sorry, the candidates here, I'm sorry. The candidates here, I know they gave it to Lulu, I'm talking the ones here running for the board, so I apologize for saying that, all right? So we've looked through everything. All right, it is a $10 million policy just for them and another few $1 million for the vehicles. Everything is covered. So is it going to be available for every person? Do you guys go around and show your full policies to everybody? No, and there's reason for that, and they will disclose. It's not up to me, but the board of directors of the fire department can disclose why they haven't actually posted this and given it, because you can already see all the other issues they've had with all the setbacks from the IRS, the DMV, Public Works. So there is a reason for everything. That's why we can't give this out. But they did share it with all of the candidates here so we can look at it. They are working with us. And just in case you guys didn't notice, but in the back, we do have a good amount, maybe 20 of the volunteers are actually here standing in the back today. And if you guys can give them a round of applause, because these are...
I need to add something to this, sorry, but I have, for me, I know GE Escarganza, which is a roofing company that we have worked in doing some roof over here work at the community center. I'm curious to know if Jose Escarganza had to show up the policy or only show up the certificate of insurance. The liability that Escarganza has when he's doing the roof over here, some of the residents or whatever, it's a lot of liability. So if you don't show the policy, wow, what's going on there? Now I'm going to make it further up. GP Asphalt Company. GP Asphalt Company, you could ask twice, and I'm sure that there's a certificate of the insurance requirement. Did this board went through the policy for GP Asphalt Company? Ask yourself twice.
Next question, folks. Next question.